Hey, hi Alka.
Hi, ma'am.
How
How
are
are
you?
you?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, how's it going?
Barely speaking, honestly, it's going well.
Uh-huh.
As switching from college to corporate is a big, huge shift for me.
Tell me your experience. So, how's corporate life treating you so far?
As really, it's been very overwhelming from
Right.
starting. My first job. It's been
Uh-huh.
6 months enjoying my corporate life. But as soon I get into this corporate life, there's a sudden change I felt. There's because of the environment also.
Uh,
In corporate, everything is very fast and serious, not like college. Just randomly going. So
that's pretty normal, yeah. Everyone feels the same in the beginning. So, you're not alone. How's been your impression of the work culture here?
honestly speaking, as per expectations, it is beyond because as I'm Gen Z and COVID batch, I always wanted a work from home
Right,
wala
right,
system. Na. Then after coming here, I eventually get in a hybrid mode. You need
right.
to come 3 days and 2 days work from home. That was a plus point
Blessed
for
then,
me.
I would say.
Agreed. And then I felt like how people are approachable, not to an offline mode, that is also an online mode. People are very approachable, but I feel work culture is more defined when you get into a person and
Right,
person feels so approachable. Yeah, so nice. So it's not like you're feeling your first time I'm talking to you. It's
right.
being and we know each other from a long time. So this was, so I feel this is a culture I really means or wanted to be. Not like ki, yeah, it's a senior, I need to think whether I should talk or I should not talk. This is not
Very
here.
true, very true. Actually, say typical Gen Z observation, right? But I also believe, Olga, you guys are really good at spotting, what's real and what just talks.
Because voice matters, I feel. That's your perspective. This is my perspective I'm
Absolutely,
putting on the table. That's it.
absolutely. And do you really feel heard here, though? I mean, do you feel that whenever you put across your ideas, everyone or in your team, people are listening to you, or they are giving, attention to your ideas or something?
I agree. Whenever I put my perspective, whenever I'm telling my ideas and putting my perspective, they are treated very nicely. They are taken into consideration. That I feel like I mean a senior person listening you so carefully and just answering. So that small gestures na make me feel so much अंदर से ना कि यार
Confident,
yeah
yeah, and
confident.
very
For me this is small gestures where my means ideas are respected and where my
valued.
where my perspectives are considered. I feel that this is a place where people literally heard you, not because it's a corporate world
Right.
that you should be like people should be audible. It's not like that. I'm not a space in a meeting, I'm a member of a meeting. Yeah,
Great,
I
great.
feel that.
That's interesting, yaar. Acha, tell me, what's something about corporate life people actually don't prepare you for enough?
The part which I never heard from anyone is the
Hmm.
mental part. The mentally you get thoughts into 24/7 waking up. Yeah, I need to this. I don't need to do this presentation. I need to look good. I need to be very audible. I need to put my ideas on the table, and this all these things just comes when as you wake up. The point.
24/7 on your toes,
Yeah,
right?
like people says ki work life balance matters
Hmm.
a lot. I agree, work life balance matters, but what about your thoughts? That
Right,
doesn't shut down when you shut down your laptop. Now I've shut down my laptop, but my thoughts are still running on my mind.
running
I'm
on.
talking to you, but it's still on my mind. So
Right,
these
that
are
we
the
need to complete this task and all, right?
exactly. So these are the things that people don't talk about it. But
No, I can resonate with it because that mental load cannot goes completely. It's
yeah,
something that
agree.
uh, it's always running behind your mind. Yeah, you have to complete this and that. So
Uh,
that's I can resonate with that. That's very normal, right? So, acha, tell me if you could advise one thing to the company, what would it be and why?
the one thing that would I advise companies should be like focus less on saying right things rather than doing more over the right things, because it then employee is whether me or the experienced person will always remember the how you treat them. They remember how you are treating them in the stressful situation
Hmm.
where the things are not in your hand, the things are getting out of your control. That time when you support a person and show the real values of your
Right.
organization, now that is where your organization really has that value in depth. just not that the corporate words that people say that we have values in our organization, but people listen, but they don't believe unless until they don't feel it.
Right,
You
right,
know?
right,
Yeah.
right. Absolutely, because uh, action matters way more than fancy words or policies,
I
basically,
totally agree
right?
on it.
So yeah,
Totally
that
agree
I
on it.
agree.
Yeah.
And it was nice catching up with you, yaar. So I'm really happy that you joined here, and we'll catch up soon again. Then,
Yeah,
thank you.
sure,
Yeah.
sure. Thank you.